Hey,
Hello.
how is it going?
For me, it's going good. For me, I was able to spot the differences between the timestamp for get and Nethermind. So I implemented that, fixed it, but still getting differences. So differences in results. So I am debugging it right now. Yeah, the debugging step was pretty challenging for me, setting up a rider to debug for a remote process. But I had a call with Lucas, found a workaround. And yeah, started working on the defenses. So far, so good.
Were you able to run the test suite?
Yep.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that's why I said that the version of .NET SDK .NET SDK needs to be updated. I think I created a PR to Ethereum Hive as well to update the Docker file for Nethermind.
Did you Sinat check that out?
Sorry.
Did Sinat check that PR out?
Yes. It is already in the merged in my Hive branch and I think yours. So it works. It should work now.
Yeah, it works. I have checked it locally. Let me know if it doesn't. If it doesn't.
I guess not updating the master hive.
Yes.
Is that something that's difficult to get it to master, or are
It
they
is
still
it is
working on
on
it?
master. It's
Master of hive and not just your fork.
yes.
Okay.
It was a issue in Hive actually. So the Docker image used for Nethermind was wrong. So we Rohit fixed that.
Yeah, well, I wrote that blog post. Well, that blog post was just update of the older blog post, and then I just updated things that have changed. And well, there wasn't that many big changes actually. Mainly just the name of the method that it used to be multicall, and now it's each simulate. And then I'm working on one other blog post that is mostly explaining what interceptor is, and then how it utilizes each simulate, and how you can use each simulate in doing test cases as well.
Right. Yeah, as for me, not so much. I tried to unblock Rohit by um merging in the Hive changes and his PR. Um, yeah, I was hoping that Bastian would be here. I wanted to introduce him to you guys.
Maybe you can try to ping him if he's available. Maybe he forgot.
Yeah.
I have been also looking for public endpoints or JSON RPC endpoints and testing if they have JSON or the each simulate enabled. And, but there's not that many yet. And for example, Gnosis is running uh, Nethermind, I think, because it's producing some errors that I'm expecting for the Nethermind. But yeah, the Gnosis chain doesn't work currently kind of completely. But like optimism base works very nice. Do we have anything else?
Nothing from my side.
Does Rohit have any questions or is everything clear?
For my case, yeah, so far everything is clear. Let me just find the. Let me fix the issue that I'm getting right now.
Yeah. And if you
Any
can get that fixed, then you can rerun the tests, and then if they match, then that's really good. But yeah, let me know once that is fixed, so then I can also run the test and then see what are the differences there. If we would like to get testing of the block hashes, and if that timestamp is fixed, then I live in the world that I'm hopefully that those block hashes start matching as well.
I hope so. Mika is laughing. Anyway, yeah, sure, Kalari. I'll definitely let you know.
My guy is laughing because he doesn't believe that those block hashes will start matching after that there will be something else underneath. But I'm somewhat hopeful because the EVM underneath should be exactly the same. And then there's just default values that I think might be different. So when the user doesn't specify some of the fields, then Nethermind and get might have different default values, but then we can test those as well.
One thing I wanted to ask though, I blindly changed the next time stamp increment to 1 second from 12 second. Is there any reason in Get that why are we doing that?
You mean what it should be instead? You mean it should be 12 seconds?
No, I'm just asking why it is 1 second.
Well, the thing is that we want the time to move forward, and I think the other logical way would be 12 seconds, but then there's other networks that don't have 12 seconds, and we thought it would be nice that it would also work this as similar as possible in the other chains. I think that was the reasoning.
Okay. Okay.
And before we also didn't allow the time to stay still, but in the nowadays spec we allowed that the time doesn't need to increase every time, so you can keep the time step the same as well. That would be also something that we could simplify if we want that instead of incrementing by one, we would keep the time step as it is. But I think it's still logical in a way that to always move the time forward if unless the user specifies something else.
Yeah, I agree. I think that 1 or 12 both would be fine with me. I would not be okay with 0.
Okay.
And they are around the zero because there's some chains that have sub-second block times. So then for those, it would be still nice that you can just say that the time is not moving forward.
Mm-hmm.
I guess you don't have anything else. Yeah, Sina also said that he had to drop off.
Okay. Nothing from my side.
Nothing else from me.
Okay. See you next week.
Yep. See you next week.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.